Today we're going to talk about the side die loading feature of the Schwabe SR model. One benefit of the SR is it does allow full access to the side of your platen. So opposed to most presses where the die has to be loaded or unloaded from the rear of the machine, where operators could be reaching over the cutting belt, fighting the die rails for adjustment, the side load allows the operator to be right in line with the rail. Depending on the size of the die, one operator could do it. We had one client in the testimonial tell us on a standard press, it took approximately 25 minutes to change out a die. With their side load on the Schwabe SR, approximately 5 minutes. 20 minutes savings per die change, 3 changes per day, 1 extra hour of productivity. This particular press is outfitted with adjustable die rails, so they are adjustable across the depth of the cutting platen, and it is outfitted with pneumatic rod locks. So the pneumatic rod locks lock the rail in place. So as the operator gets the rail where they need it for loading the new tool, they're able to then lock that rail so that as they push the tool in or when they're pulling a tool out, the die does not move, the die rails do not move, allowing the die to possibly fall. That also holds the die in place during operation. There are times where customers forego the option of the pneumatic rod lock and go with a manual lock. Another key benefit for this particular press is we do have a half rule. So again, once I come over and measure out the die board, I'm able to come back here, repeat that measurement, looking at the rail or the guide here on the platen to install the die board. So this particular die board is approximately 48 inches. I will unlock my rails. The die rails are already lowered. Each half rule I will set at 48 inches. I'll then lock the rail in place. And because of the size of the board, it will require 2 operators in most circumstances. Simply place it on the rail, slide it in, again with the rod locks, they don't go anywhere. Raise the die board and you're ready to run. This is the side die loading on the Schwabe Model SR.